gonna show you guys what I was talking about with that radiator then. Pretty dicked up, pretty smashed. Of course, gotta love Penswoods, Craigslist, Facebook nowadays. Even in here, pretty gross. Nothing that can't be cleaned. You know, this filter, it's disgustingly dirty, but I bet it can be cleaned up though. Also this strap, I, for the love of God, can't figure out what this thing even goes to. Maybe it was some sort of like strap that those guys at the air scrambles use, but I don't really know. A little bit better look at the silencer here. Dirty, but not unfixable, not unusable. Just keep picking away at her. So you really get to know how the owner was with his bike when he started to tear into it. So honestly guys, this bike I've seen a lot worse. I've definitely seen better, but airbox pretty filthy. All this stuff's pretty dirty, but I said it before, it's nothing that can't be cleaned up though. I mean, I'm actually kind of surprised. I was tearing into this thing to get a big project started and it's not bad. I mean, it needs cleaned. These bars, like bar pack, stupid shit, but it's not bad. Definitely a lot of dirt, a lot of gunk. Gonna try breaking out the degreaser, seeing what that can do for us. Maybe some of that Eagle 1 cleaner. I know that stuff's pretty aggressive, but it can really clean the stuff up like this. But even the frame, man, dirty, but not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So I'm probably gonna, for the last part of this, take the airbox off, fork guards, and it's probably gonna be it for this video. We'll see what's going on. Maybe start cleaning them up. See up here though, even this stuff, not bad. Needs cleaned, but not bad. That is probably gonna wrap up this video. Give you guys a quick rundown of what I did again. Started stripping it all off, got pretty far. The only thing left, and I'll leave them fork guards. Not a terrible thing to do quick, couple bolts, but it's dirty. It's definitely dirty. Definitely, don't want to say neglected, but it's seen its days. Nothing to spray on degreaser can't take care of though. I'm not too sure how far I'm gonna take it down. It's not as bad as I thought it was. Not bad at all. Use some of that Eagle 1 cleaner on the swing arm, on the aluminum parts. Gotta be careful with that stuff. It'll strip anodizing. But other than that, guys, it's not bad. All the plastics laying over here definitely need cleaned though. That airbox needs a ton of work. See where some of these number plates, maybe get some, I don't know, that bleach white stuff. Get some of those yellow marks off of here. Tank just needs cleaned up a little bit too. Other than that, guys, that's probably gonna take care of it today. If I do anything else, I'll update you guys. See you at the next one.